watched. A better angle where you can see. It's my blinds. It's on my blinds. Like, I'm serious. Today's video, paper airplanes. Also, don't mind, I might be looking at the other camera because the video's right here. I just won't be looking directly in your eyes because it's hard to not look at that without knowing how I look. So, paper airplanes, we're gonna do that. I learned this trick, this paper airplane trick, back in third grade, I think. I don't know. I will not be showing my desk because it's a mess. Yeah. We're gonna be. How do you even throw a paper airplane? That's what I've been wondering. I learned this one. I already said that. I'm a big ass pin on my SpongeBob SquarePants. Doing good. If my paper airplane can be a paper airplane, then yeah, it'll look good. What am I doing? Oh. See, I haven't made a paper airplane since the start of school. I'm still in school. It's the start of high school. I'm still in high school. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. He just went into the trash can. I wasn't even expecting it to do that. It just went inside the trash can. I guess, yeah. Paper origami. How do you... A paper airplane by myself. How do I make them? How do I make a good one? That's what I'm wondering. I'll do this. I'm so focused with talking at the same time. I'll do this. Now I'll do that. This probably won't help at all. But I'm doing it. And I'm gonna succeed. Sponge, 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 sponge. Okay, here's my airplane. My TV just shut off. What do I do? Should I... Cards? What if I use cookies? Can something penetrate cookies? I need some... There we go. It's a cookie on a water bottle. It's a cookie on a water bottle. I gotta get. If nautical nonsense, do something you wish. Did the cookie fall? No, the cookie! That would have hit the cookie. To be honest, that would have hit the cookie. cards from my last video all over. There's cards in my blinds, which I'm still surprised about. There's also this fluff. I don't know what that is. I have random things, I don't know. Yeah, you see the camera moving? Yeah, I'm trying to reach for the cards of Spider-Man inside of my blinds. It's everywhere! There's cards everywhere!
I was one in the vent.
Da-da-da. The cookie fell. No, no, no. Oh, wow. Cookie away. Where's the pear? I threw it away because it had pencil shaving on it. Alright. Back to the old grind. I swear, if my TV breaks by me throwing cards at it, every time I talk about my TV, I somehow make it. What? Though I didn't make it inside it, it went like that. Every time I try and talk about TV. Do you grant good luck? Every time. Okay, my TV's amazing. My TV's amazing. I hate my TV. I love my TV. Every time I turn on my TV. Oh, you only went in. The TV was on. It's hitting it. I swear, if you don't make it in. There's a whole group of cards behind my blinds. I wish you could see that. You know what? I'm gonna go live.